In this video, you'll learn how to delete groups from your Notion workspace. This process involves several steps to ensure that you remove the group correctly and handle any associated content. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads completely, you will see the Notion homepage. If prompted, sign in with your account credentials to access your workspace. Next, locate your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Space. This action takes you to the workspace settings, where you can manage various aspects of your Notion environment. After that, look for the settings option in the sidebar and click on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust your account and workspace settings. You may pause for a moment as the settings page loads, ensuring that you are on the correct screen before proceeding. Once the settings page is visible, find and select the account option from the list. This section contains details about your account and workspace management. It is crucial to confirm that you have the necessary permissions to delete groups, as this action may affect other users in your workspace. Continue by clicking on Workspace within the account settings. This area provides an overview of your workspace configurations, including the members and groups associated with it. Ensure you are aware of the groups currently in your workspace before moving on. Now navigate to the People section found in the sidebar. Clicking on this will display all members of your workspace, including the groups. You will need to find the specific group you wish to delete, which may require scrolling through the list. Next, click on the Groups option to view all existing groups. This section will show you a list of groups that have been created within your workspace. Take your time to locate the group that you intend to delete. Once you identify the group, click on the three dots icon next to it. This action will open a drop-down menu with various options related to that group. Make sure that you are selecting the correct group to avoid accidental deletion. After that, select the option Delete from the drop-down menu. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete this group. It is important to read this prompt carefully, as deleting a group is irreversible. Next, you will be asked, are you sure you want to delete this group? Confirm your choice by clicking on this option. This step is crucial, as it ensures that you are intentionally proceeding with the deletion process. You will then see a message stating any pages that are private to this group will be transferred to you. This is important information, as it ensures you retain access to any content that was associated with the group. Finally, confirm the deletion by clicking on the Yes button in the prompt. This action will permanently delete the group from your workspace. After the deletion is confirmed, you can close the confirmation dialog by clicking on the Close button, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.